Hi, this is Pooja and Riju,
Hi.
my husband and my travel partner. As a couple, we love to travel and we are bloggers.
All other social platforms, including Insta, YouTube, Facebook. The Wing Visas is the name. We
Yeah.
both love traveling, and currently we are in Uganda, and would definitely recommend you to follow our blog and all the social media handles to know more about Uganda.
Personally, it was an amazing experience. I didn't even realize that time went so fast here. I thoroughly enjoyed our trip to Uganda. Like, I really loved it. And I would definitely recommend people, of all the fellow travelers, definitely you should visit Uganda. You'll not regret it. It's one of the best country we have ever visited.
Coming to Uganda, I think we were really first of all wanting to do one of our bucket list item, which is gorilla trekking. And we knew Uganda is about that, right? Our perception actually changed when we were actually discussing our itinerary with African adventure travelers, and they mentioned that there are so many other places also, which is around safari, going to discovering amazing lakes, viewing the wildlife. Apart from the gorilla trekking, which was the major attraction, amazing sunset, both safaris in both Kazinga Channel and in Murchison Falls was really good. Lake Bunyoni, I think very undiscovered and we don't hear, but the location was truly amazing. I mean, we were actually feeling relaxed during this time and had an amazing canoe ride in the evening, watching the sunsets.
The people were really nice. They were really cooperative and really supportive. They have knowledge, they know places. The people are amazing. They're really friendly. What I like the most about them, they're really friendly and they're helpful, you know.
I think at times they went out of their ways.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I mean,
They just went out their way, helping us and providing us the best of experience that we should get. Whenever if you're coming here, you can ask for Moses personally, because he's he's an a
package in itself,
He's
yeah.
a package in itself. He knows everything. I mean, I irritated him like anything. Moses, what is this? Moses, what is that? And he was always ready with an answer. Like, he's an amazing guide. Amazing.
So overall, I think the perception that we had before coming, that it's only about gorilla trekking. It is not only about gorilla trekking. Yes, gorilla trekking was a major attraction, but there were so many other things we were really happy to do. One other thing which we always thought and heard from a lot of other bloggers mentioning that Uganda roads are not that great for traveling, right? We absolutely, once we have experienced that, we felt it's really good. And I think the government has really stepped up their game in improving the connectivity to major tourist destination, and hence most of our transfer were very smooth. So we have actually traveled to multiple countries during this COVID. This is actually our third country apart from Kenya. So we have traveled to Seychelles, we have traveled to Dubai, and we are currently in Uganda. So I think the test center, Test and Fly, from where African adventure travelers organized our test, it was really smooth. The results were there in 10 hours time.
Not even 10 hours. It was in less than that. In 7 to 8 hours, we got the results.
It was really helpful for a traveler to get the PCR certificate within that time without any hassle. And we just heard that over the last couple of days, the vaccination has also come in Uganda.
Yeah.
And also from a safety point of view, for all the travelers who probably have got the vaccinations or would be getting the vaccination, I think then it becomes a perfect country to start your travel plans for 2021.
But I really enjoyed Uganda.
Yeah.
What about you?
Absolutely, loved it. I loved it.